Have you ever wondered why some people always have soft, healthy-looking lips while yours feel dry, cracked, or chapped no matter how much lip balm you use? The truth is, having healthy lips isn't about buying expensive products. It's about building the right habits and avoiding the mistakes that damage your lips every day. In today's video, I'll share a complete lip care routine that is simple, affordable, and easy to follow. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your lips soft, smooth, and healthy. So let's get started. 1. Understand why lips become dry. Before we talk about the routine, let's understand why lips become dry in the first place. Unlike the rest of your skin, your lips don't have oil glands. That means they can't produce their own natural moisture. Because of this, they lose water much more quickly and become dry, especially during hot weather, cold weather, windy days, or if you don't drink enough water. Even simple habits like licking your lips or biting them can make dryness much worse. The first step to healthy lips is understanding what causes the problem. 2. Stay hydrated. One of the easiest ways to improve your lips is by drinking enough water throughout the day. When your body is dehydrated, your lips are often one of the first places to show it. Try carrying a water bottle with you, especially if you're at school or work. Remember, lip balm helps from the outside, but water helps from the inside. Healthy lips start with a hydrated body. 3. Apply lip balm the right way. Many people wait until their lips are already dry before using lip balm. Instead, apply it before your lips become dry. A good time is after washing your face, after brushing your teeth, before going outside, and before going to bed. If your lips are very dry, reapply whenever needed during the day. Look for lip balms with ingredients like petroleum jelly, shea butter, beeswax, ceramides, or natural oils. If a lip balm stings or irritates your lips, stop using it. 4. Protect your lips from the sun. Did you know your lips can get sunburned? Many people protect their face with sunscreen but forget their lips. Choose a lip balm with SPF during the daytime, especially if you'll be outside. This simple step helps prevent dryness and protects your lips from sun damage. 5. Use an overnight lip treatment. Nighttime is the perfect time for your lips to heal. Before going to sleep, apply a thicker layer of lip balm or plain petroleum jelly. While you sleep, it helps lock in moisture for several hours. When you wake up, your lips often feel much softer. Making this a nightly habit can make a noticeable difference over time. 6. Eat foods that support healthy skin. Healthy lips also depend on good nutrition. Try to include fruits, vegetables, eggs, nuts, dairy products, and foods rich in vitamins B and C if they fit your diet. These nutrients help support healthy skin, including the skin on your lips. Eating a balanced diet benefits your entire body, not just your lips. 7. Be careful with matte lipsticks. Matte lipsticks can look beautiful, but some formulas may feel drying. Before applying matte lipstick, use a thin layer of lip balm and let it absorb for a few minutes. At the end of the day, always remove your makeup gently before applying your nighttime lip treatment. 8. Try a simple homemade lip mask. If you're looking for an easy DIY option, honey can work as a simple lip mask for some people because it helps attract moisture. Apply a small amount to clean lips for about 10 to 15 minutes, then gently rinse it off. If you're allergic to honey or it irritates your skin, don't use it. You can also simply use a thick layer of plain petroleum jelly if you prefer. Those were some of the best habits you can start today for softer, healthier lips. Remember, everyone has different skin, so what works perfectly for one person may not work the same for another. If your lips stay severely cracked, painful, or don't heal, it's a good idea to talk with a healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another beauty and self-care video from Girly Girl Blooms. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.